What is greenhouse effect? Accumulation of greenhouse gases, that is GHGs, like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxides, forms a blanket in Earth's atmosphere which traps long wavelength radiations emitted from Earth's surface and raise temperature globally. This is called global warming. Carbon dioxide is the main greenhouse gas and is responsible for about half the atmospheric heat retained by atmospheric gases. The major consequences of global warming are melting of Greenland ice sheet and Antarctic ice sheet, melting of glaciers, rise in the sea level, extreme weathers all over the world, severe storms, typhoons, flood, and drought. These changes will have adverse effect on food production, leading to shortage of food and fresh water. Prevention and control of greenhouse gases. The preventive measures include reducing emission of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, use of alternative sources of energy such as wind, hydel, or solar instead of using fossil fuel, minimizing the use of nitrogen fertilizers in agriculture to reduce emission of oxides of nitrogen, extensive afforestation to increase vegetation cover, which can reduce carbon dioxide level by utilizing it in photosynthesis, development of carbon dioxide sink in oceans, which can absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere and help in lowering carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. Ill effects of acid rain. Air pollutants like oxides of sulfur and nitrogen get dissolved in rainwater, forming sulfuric and nitric acid and make the rainwater acidic. Acidic rain also includes acidic fog, snow, dew or frost, and also acidic mist. Acid rain increase acidity of lakes, dams, rivers, and streams, and cause death of aquatic plants and animals. It makes soil acidic and affects plants and kills microorganisms. Acid rain dissolves and washes away nutrients and minerals in soil, forest, and retards the growth of forest trees. It damages chlorophyll and affects photosynthesis. Acid rain and dry acid deposition causes extensive damage to buildings, monuments, and sculpture made of marble, limestone, mortar, and metals. Acid rain corrodes metals. How the ozone layer is depleted. Ozone forms a protective umbrella around the Earth in stratosphere, 15 to 20 kilometers above the surface. It absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun. It protects life on Earth from harmful short-wave ultraviolet radiation of sun. Chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, are the main cause of ozone layer depletion. Other gases which enhance ozone layer depletion are methane and nitrous oxide. Methyl bromide, used as soil fumigant, is also ozone depleting chemical. Thinning of ozone layer results in more UV rays reaching Earth's surface and have adverse effect on plants, animals, and human beings.